You're bidding on a Kwik-Way SVSD. This was said to be working, although I don't know if it's missing anything. We plugged it in. The only thing I could get to work was the lights. I don't know anything about it. This came out of a government facility. SVSD. Hasn't been cleaned, nothing's been touched. You want to show the controls look like they're working. And that thing over there, this goes in and out. And then that turns, whatever that does. Okay, and then this micrometer dial is not froze up and working. 110 volts. This is what it is. We're selling this for parts or repair because I don't know how to turn it on. I don't want to damage anything. It was said to have been working, but I'm not selling it that way. So good luck bidding.